ready to transform your character designs and master the art of expressive features. Let's jump into Adobe Illustrator and learn how to draw eyebrows. From simple shapes to realistic detail. First, grab your pen tool, click and drag to create a curved anchor point, beginning the arch of your eyebrow. Then, click and drag again, shaping the curve and determining the overall thickness. Now, let's adjust the stroke in the stroke panel. Increase the stroke weight to give your eyebrow some volume. Experiment to find a weight that suits your style. Next, go to the appearance panel. Here, we can add multiple strokes. Select Add New Stroke. With the new stroke selected, change its color to a slightly darker shade of the base color. Vary the stroke weight a little bit. This will create a subtle shadow effect that adds dimension. Now select the pen tool and the ellipse tool. Use the pen tool to draw individual hair strokes by clicking and dragging small curves and vary the size and shape. Then use the ellipse tool to create some small circles over the eyebrow to show some depth. To give your eyebrow a realistic feel, play with different shades of the same color and adjust spacing between strokes. You can further customize your design by adding stroke profiles or even blending modes for even more detail. Experiment with both techniques and observe to see what outcome you desire. Whether you're aiming for realism or a stylized look, these techniques will help you take your character design skills to the next level.